Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome. Fuck, bruh. Dirty ass lens. Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Been a while since I posted. I keep on saying I'm gonna keep on posting, but I fucking don't. And that's on me, and I'm fucking sorry. Today we're gonna switch it up. It's not. I'm gonna continue doing art, but for now, I got a bigger problem. This piece of fucking shit right here. Look at this motherfucker. This stupid bitch decided to fucking take a dump on me. You fuck bitch! Bitch! Fuck you! Bitch. Took a fucking shit on me. My transmission went out. Do I have an automatic? Yes, the fuck I do. We're gonna fucking change that. I'm gonna put a manual transmission in this bitch. Do I got everything to do it right now? Fuck to the no. I don't got no. Okay, I'm gonna rebuild my engine too, cause I'm gonna be honest with you. This bitch kinda funny. This bitch knock in the morning. Yeah, I'm gonna fucking do that shit. Rebuild the engine. New transmission, manual transmission, everything. For now, this ugly ass bitch is gonna stay in the garage. Yep. For now, I'm gonna start taking apart everything. Like taking the whole front end out. I'm gonna disconnect everything. Make sure it's ready for, so when I get the cherry picker, I can just pull the engine out with the transmission and just make sure everything's okay. Cause, you know, yeah. But stay tuned. This car is gonna be one of the fucking cleanest E46s I've ever seen once I'm done with it. Is it gonna be like months in progress? Fuck yeah, it's gonna be months in progress. I ain't doing this shit quick. But that's the life of cars, you know. So, yeah. But y'all stay with me. Enjoy the content. Let me know if y'all fucking with it. But for now, let's start taking this bitch apart. Bitch. Alright. So. Bitch. I got a jank ass fucking setup. That fucking ass. Check me out. That was you fucking screwed in, right? This car's fucking awesome. I love this car. I'm driving this bitch up and down the street and shit. I love it. But it's always giving me so many fucking problems. Which I fucking hate. But yeah. So. Fuck. There you go. But yeah. So. Let me start taking apart this front end right here. So we can pull this shit out. Stop fucking around. I'm gonna take these fucking headlights out. I'm about to take these bolts out for the headlight supports. And I think there's more like right here. But yeah, I'm gonna take those out too. Take these shits out. Take the whole fucking headlight. Corners. This bottom. I don't know if it's a bracket, but bottom trim. Body trim. But yeah. So I'm about to take all that. Damn, bro. What the fuck on my focus, cuz? Pop that bulb out. Got this bitch off. Should I fuck? I'm gonna save him just in case. Cause no, you never know. This shit all fucked up and cracked and shit. Okay. That's up. Cause I'm gonna replace these with clear ones. And I'm gonna replace the lenses on these bitches. But oh my god, it's coming off. This bitch is gonna be fucking eyeless, yo. It's gonna have no fucking eyes. It's gonna be looking like this. Yeah, feel me? It's gonna be like this. Yeah, feel me? But yeah. Yo, that bitch is fucking eyeless, yo. What the fuck? Bitch! I'm out of fucking breath though. That bitch is giving up a fight. Fuck. Motherfucker hard as shit. Yeah, feel me? I got some lemon pepper steppers on, cut. Yeah. Look at, oh, shut up. Hey, fucking party music for YouTube copyright my shit. Yo, I know I ain't seeing this shit right. Bro, I had random parts flying while I was driving. The fuck? Get out, man. Ain't no way. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck, yo? Well, shit, I guess. Fuck. Get out fucking. Alright, I'm gonna take these motherfuckers up. See if this shit help. But, damn, I did not know that. But let me unscrew these fucking bolts, see if that shit helps. But, yeah, that shit is fucking crazy, bro. What the fuck? So, I'm gonna start just taking shit off. Hopefully, I do this shit right. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, bro. I ain't never took this shit out of my life. I'm kind of nervous. But, whatever. To my understanding, there's a radiator support, I guess. I think this is it, but we'll see. I see 2 bolts right here for the headlight, but alright, I may take all this shit apart. Let's see what the fuck happens. So let's time lapse this motherfucker. Gotcha. That's another one that just came off. So, where the fuck do I go from here? Fucking bitch. Ah. Fucking whore. Gotta go bitch ass on your wire, bitch. Fuck you. And my back hurting because of your ass. Bitch. Shit's fucked up anyways. Yep. Took the front end. I took the front end off, motherfuckers. Who the fuck is calling me, yo? What's up, sis? Alright, so this is the end of this video. That's the end of this video. Just took the front fuck! I get fucking mixed up with those words. I just took my front end off in this video. So yeah. This is how it looks. Y'all probably know what an E46 looks like with no front end, but yeah. This shit's fucking crazy. Never thought I'd see this motherfucker like this. Well, I thought I'll see it, but not this fucking soon, you feel me? Thank you guys for tuning in. Be ready for more. I think next video, I'm probably gonna start taking all the little pieces off. I wanna relocate it to this side, cause you know, I'll be like having like clients' cars and shit. But yeah, so might catch that in the next video. Might do that tomorrow. But y'all stay tuned. Let me know if you fuck with the video. Let me know if I should keep with the content. But yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Peace out. It's been D. See you on the next video. Peace out.